Just wanted to show you a couple of things here. Just here, remember this cloth is on the pipe, PVC pipe, wraps all the way around and then comes around here, but then there's a concave surface where one tail goes around here and it pulls perfectly on this one, but here, because it's concave, it's pulling away. Right, now I was supposed to have fixed that by putting enough paper in this part here so that it was a convex or a dead straight surface when it came off of this pipe, or at least some pull across here the resin would stick and cause adhesion against the concave thing, such that you didn't end up with a hole just in here. All right, as on the next layer, that's going to be a problem. All right, it's not so much the first layer that's a real problem because it's sticking to PVC pipe, which is not structural. But the next one, it's critical to have the cloth attached to the cloth with no air gaps in it. So what I've done on this one, I had some 1 inch by about 3.5 inch little offcuts that when I'd put the thing on, it was starting to pull off. I got those offcuts and I wrapped them around here. It's kept it together. Now, I will have to do that for every single layer, because now we're going to have the similar issue where the next layer will still be concave and still pulling off, so we'll need wrapping on a thing. Basically, I should have packed this out here inside here with things so that it was a convex-ish thing. It's just one of those little sort of lessons to learn from doing this for the first time. But hopefully these little videos of these little tips here will help you to avoid making the same mistake.